Good afternoon, this is Pond Boy for Pond Boy's Angling Adventures. So we have a cool day. It's the first day under 80 degrees in the afternoon for months. Water's a little high. Giant log! While I'm getting a hit, that's cool. So, I got a fish on and a giant log coming down. This is not what I planned. Just keep that fish away from the giant log. I'll be okay. This first fish was on grape flavored bait from K1 Baits. We'll let him swim. Hopefully he won't get off. I'm getting this other line in. But I got 3 baits made. Then I made myself all dough baits on banana cream, fruity peach, and grape. All K1 Baits. We got past the giant log. He doesn't seem phased in the slightest that he's hooked. It's a beast. I use it a lot in my videos. It's gigantic. Huge. Oh. It's a pig. Oh, you son of a bitch. Oh my god. Look at that. Literally snapped my hook in half. Well, that could have gone better. Yeah, so the big one I just lost was on K1 Grape. Now this one's made with chickpeas, bread, chickpeas, a little bit of oats, and K1 excess grape flavoring. The grape just took off a second ago. There it goes. And he's on. So that grape has gotten hit 3 times in the first 15 minutes I've been here. And again, it's just, did it in a food processor. Some bread, a can of pre-cooked chickpeas. I didn't even soak them or flavor them or anything. I used the K1 for all the flavoring. Some oats, some purple food coloring, and the K1 excess grape flavoring. It has made a humongous difference. While he's going for my anchor, I hate you anchor lovers. There you go. Come on. Just get your head up or I'm going to have you. Yeah, I got you because you're half as big as the one I missed. There we go. Nice. Oh, he's in something. He's got to get out of that. Got to get out of whatever that is, buddy. Come on. Whatever you're wrapped up in, you gotta get out of it. Come on. Break out of whatever that is. Come on, buddy. Oh, I can see him over there. There, he's off. Back to me and him. One popped. I want you. Oh, beast. Now, when the water's higher and fast like this, just their dead weight can make it a problem getting them where I want them. I just... Bring that head up. 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 Keep that head up. Yes! I shoot and I score. Yes! That's what it's about. Thank you, K1. So yeah, again, some bread, pre-cooked chickpeas in the can, drain it, K1 XS grape flavor, and some oats. Bind it up a little bit. That's got a beast. For this river, this is really nice fish. Look at that chomp, look at that kisser on that thing. Mwah. Awesome. Freaking awesome. Literally, I just casted the grape back out. Looked at one of my other rods, and this thing was off, and it's just charging. I'm not even gonna be able to get any of my other rods out. It's gonna be a retying kind of day. Where's he at? Is he into that other line yet? Yeah, he's into that one too. He's out of it. Oh. Jeez. Okay, coming back. Switch! Oh, really? All that fighting that popped off. This bite has just been insane. Yes. I mean, every 5 minutes I'm getting a bit. It's usually what happens in the spring. It's just, they had cool weather today and a little bit of rain just got them going, but I've missed 3. This is my 4th landed. About 50%. But yeah, it's been awesome. Another fish. Number 5. Whoa! Check line number 8 hooked. I've been using Dave's Tingle Free weights, and I'm using. Oh, it's gone! It's all the hook popped right out. Let me show you what I'm using. Now this carp, a carp rig here, this rubber piece is supposed to be the other way around, and it's supposed to, this part here, it's called a semi-running rig, and it'll hook it right into your swivel. But I wanted it running rig. I wanted it to be running, so I have it on basically on backwards. I just like having the rubber piece on there instead of having my weight sliding up and down the line. I just think there's less friction. And these Dave Tingle Free weights, they're steel and covered in plastic. So earlier tonight, I had a fish that was wrapped. It was way over there, and it was wrapped in the rocks over here. And I was able to keep fighting that fish, and the weight just popped right out of the rocks. I was still able to land that fish. So that was pretty cool. So now I am 4 for 8. So I need to land more fish. The fast current is making it a little bit difficult. Look, baby pterodactyls. sixth fish. Yes.